Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. We just got this beautiful boat stocked into our inventory. And they still have the windlass wrapped up, so yeah, let's climb aboard. First thing you'll notice off the back is this boat's equipped with the new Mercury 300s. These are V8 naturally aspirated engines. Great performance numbers out of these motors. And, we've been very happy with them. Alright, you'll notice you got a nice walkthrough across the transom of the boat. So depending if you dock on the port or starboard side, it's pretty easy to get on board. You'll notice you've got a huge open cockpit on this boat that's great for fishing. And then if you're entertaining and riding out to the spot, you've got nice flip down seats across the port side and the transom. And right now we've got the weather curtain set up, but this boat is very open when you have all this off. Give you a quick peek here. We've got a forward-facing or a rear-facing seat. This pulls out to give you a nice step up into the seat and then a nice place for your feet to rest. This boat's equipped with the summer kitchen. So you just pull this drawer out here. Got a nice electric grill, which is, again, great for entertaining. So a lot of versatility with this boat. Alright, so stepping on up here to the helm. So you got a nice refrigerator, sink. And then this boat is very well equipped. So it's got the joystick piloting, which makes docking incredibly easy, especially if you're maneuvering in tight spaces. You've got a 16-inch Raymarine. This is the new Axiom screen. Very intuitive and easy to use. Mercury vessel view gauge. This is an upgraded 7-inch display that'll give you a lot of diagnostics with the engines and fuel burn and all that. Right now we've got this whole area enclosed. Again, this is the weather curtain set. This is an air-conditioned part of the boat, so you can turn this on, cool you off. If you're up north, you can use the heat. I don't think it'll ever be used down here, but it's definitely a neat feature. Alright, so climbing down into the cabin. So you got really a lot of space for this size boat. Got a nice table that flips over here, so when you're eating, and you've got the space for that. This table does drop down, and there's a filler cushion to turn this into a bed. You also have a nice aft sleeper where you can sleep 2 very easily, possibly even 3 if you got kids. Got a separate enclosed head, which is real nice size. And then you've got another fridge here, so you've got 2 fridges, stovetop, microwave, got a TV mounted. So it's great for overnighting, long weekends, and definitely a good family boat. So you got the kids that need to get out of the sun, get in the air conditioner. It's great for them. But again, my name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Palm Beach. It's a great boat, definitely one you need to see in person. And you can reach me 561-427-9217. Thanks, and I look forward to hearing from you.